Is your WordPress site taking up too much disk space? The culprit might be image bloat. WordPress automatically creates multiple versions of an image when you upload it, leading to unnecessary files over time. In this video, I'll show you how to clean up these extra images and prevent future bloat. Let's dive in. 1. WordPress default image sizes. By default, WordPress generates 4 different image sizes when you upload a single image. Thumbnail, 150 by 150 pixels, cropped. 2. Medium, 300 by 300 pixels, scaled. 3. Large, 1024 by 1024 pixels, scaled. 4. Full size, the original image. You can adjust these settings under Settings Media in your WordPress dashboard. 2. Theme and plugin generated images. Many themes and plugins create additional image sizes to fit their layouts and features. For example, WooCommerce, Elementor, and Gallery plugins may generate multiple versions of an image. 3. Responsive images and srcset. Since WordPress 4.4, it automatically generates different scaled versions of images to serve the right size for different devices. This feature, called srcset, improves performance but can contribute to image bloat. 4. Image regeneration issues. Whenever you change your theme or modify media settings, WordPress doesn't delete the old images, it just creates new ones. This leads to orphaned image files that clutter your server. 5. Unused and orphaned thumbnails. When you remove a plugin or theme, the images it generated remain in your Uploads folder, unnecessarily consuming disk space. How to clean up extra images in WordPress. 1. Use a plugin to remove unused images. Here are 3 great plugins that can help clean up unnecessary images. Regenerate Thumbnails regenerates image sizes while removing old ones. 2. Media Cleaner identifies and deletes orphaned media files. 3. Image Cleanup finds and removes unused thumbnails. 2. Prevent WordPress from generating unnecessary sizes. You can disable specific sizes by setting them to 0 in Settings Media. Alternatively, add this snippet to your functions.php file to stop WordPress from creating extra sizes. Three. Manually delete old thumbnails. If your site has accumulated a lot of unused thumbnails, you can manually delete them using an FTP client or file manager. Navigate to /wp content/upload/ and remove unnecessary image files. 4. Optimize image storage. Consider using WebP format to reduce file sizes without sacrificing quality. Use optimization plugins like Smush or ShortPixel to compress images and save disk space. And that's how you can stop image bloat in WordPress. By cleaning up old images and preventing unnecessary ones from being generated, you can save disk space and improve site performance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more WordPress tips. See you in the next one.